Want to learn how to make it? Come with me. Let's get started.
I got water.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some coxinha right now. Putting some salt on the chicken, as you can see. Then we're going to marinate it with some paprika. We'll get that in a bit. And yeah, we're just going to season this real quick. Get some of the paprika. Sprinkle it a little bit. That's called, we just mix it until it gets all marinated and stuff. So with the coxinha, we're gonna need a bunch of these seasonings. We got some pink salt, panko breadcrumbs, some more breadcrumbs. Then we got some fig mazola, and then we got some cream cheese. We're gonna have to mix it with the shredded chicken. We got some onion, eggs over here, green onion, and some coriander. Then we got these potatoes. You're gonna need potatoes for the coxinha so you can mix it with the chicken. So let's get to it. Boil the potatoes.
وإذا قرأت القرآن جعلنا بينك وبين الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة حجابا مستورا وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإذا ذكرت ربك في القرآن وحده ولوا على أدبارهم نفورا نحن أعلم بما يستمعون به
So after you shred the chicken, we're gonna put some of this cream cheese on it, and what's called some of this coriander, a little bit of onion, and what's it called. You're just gonna mix that, let it sit for a while. Then what's it called? You're gonna get your mashed potatoes right there. Then you're gonna add them to this mixture. Then you're gonna mix it until you have a nice mashed potato, chicken, cream cheese paste, and then what's it called? You're gonna wrap it into balls, dip them in the egg yolk, dip them in the breadcrumbs, and then fry them.
قل كونوا حجارة أو حديدا أو خلقا مما يكبر في صدوركم فسيقولون من يعيدنا قل الذي فطركم أول مرة فسينغضون إليك رؤوسهم ويقولون متاه قل عسى أن يكون قريبا يوم يدعوكم فتستجيبون بحمده وتظنون إن لبثتم إلا.
So this is actually a Brazilian recipe that we're making, right? I saw it on TikTok. I was so excited to try and make this. So here we are today. It's called, you have to try it for yourself. And when you do, you're probably going to thank me. So try it to see if the seasonings is blended right now. So here we go. Bismillah. Oh my God, it's not even done yet and I can eat it forever. So good. So now, we're going to ball it up into like a water droplet. That's what we're going to do. So you're going to want to ball it up. Then you made a little point on the top. Just like this. And then what's it called? Now, you just dip it in the egg yolk. Make sure not to squeeze it too hard because you might lose its shape. Dip it in the egg yolk. Then dip it in the breadcrumbs. Then you're going to want to put this aside, do the rest, and then keep doing that until you have enough. So, yeah.
وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإذا ذكرت ربك في القرآن وحده
Okay, so we have all the coxinha balled up and ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and fry them, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So you see, now you're gonna want to fry them till this is a nice golden brown. You see this beautiful color? Yep, that's exactly what you want. You guys see what I'm talking about when I said this coxinha was gonna look good? Look at this flaky goodness, golden brown texture. Look at that. Look at that, beautiful. This is the final product. We're just gonna spray a little bit of this parsley and stuff, just for show, to make it look nicer. Let's get a little bit more. Look at all that. So this is the final product. You see this crunchy, flaky texture? That's exactly what you want. This nice golden brown color. So we're gonna go ahead and try one of these. And disclaimer, you do not want to over fry it or make it burnt. Just want to get it to a nice, good, crispy golden brown. So let's open one right here. See, look at that smoky goodness. So we're gonna go ahead and try one. Bismillah. This right here, delicious. You have to make these. Mama, Daddy, what do you think of it? So yeah. And here's the final product, like I said.
قل لو كان معه آلهة كما يقولون
I would eat all of this right now, this sitting, before my family come and see this. But if my mom finds out about this, she's gonna kill me. So I can't afford my life. I have to keep making these. Look at this though. Look at this. So we're gonna go call my family and get their reaction. How is it? It tastes good? So yeah, that'll be all. This is the final product. We made it so my dad could try it for himself. He used some parsley, some chicken breast, some potatoes, and what's it called, so on and so on. So how's the taste?
It tastes amazing. I'm really surprised you cooked this thing. You know how to cook chicken, you know how to cook wings, and now you know how to cook coxinha. What else can you not cook?
I don't know.
You surprised me, son. I appreciate you.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And I want to go ahead and thank every single one of you. Without you guys, I wouldn't even be here. So, peace.